Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. Today we're going to meditate on simply stopping. Now let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift, the shoulders to soften. Today we'll practice simply stopping. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. Notice what it's like just to stop. To simply be still and present in this moment. You may notice thoughts, bodily sensations, sounds. Just noticing what it's like to be alive in just this moment. Simply stopping. Each time you find the mind somewhere, play with inviting a sense of stopping. Let's continue practicing like this for a little while. And as we near the end, finishing with a deep breath in and a long breath out. Thank you.